Turkey and Bangladesh are launching a new era in defense cooperation, marking a significant milestone in their bilateral relations. They are moving beyond traditional arms sales to embark on joint weapons production on Bangladeshi soil, a groundbreaking initiative. Turkey, with its advanced military industry, will assist Bangladesh in building its own defense manufacturing capabilities, a major shift for both nations, enhancing self-reliance. This partnership marks a strategic alliance, providing Bangladesh access to cutting-edge technology and offering Turkey a new regional foothold in South Asia. The collaboration will focus on building essential infrastructure, training local workers, and sharing advanced technology, fostering growth and innovation, aiming to transform Bangladesh's defense sector into a modern powerhouse. As this joint venture unfolds, it stands as a symbol of deepening ties and a new chapter in South Asia's security landscape, promising a future of strengthened cooperation and mutual benefit. Turkey's choice of Bangladesh is no accident. This decision is the result of careful strategic calculation and a deep understanding of regional dynamics. Bangladesh's location bridges South and Southeast Asia, making it a valuable partner for any nation seeking influence in this rapidly developing region. Its proximity to major trade routes and economic hubs adds to its significance. With a large, modernizing military and a rapidly growing economy, Bangladesh offers Turkey not only a stable demand for its advanced technology, but also a crucial gateway to untapped markets in Asia. This partnership opens doors for Turkish exports and investments. Strong political and cultural ties, plus shared membership in the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, make trust and collaboration easier. These commonalities foster a sense of mutual respect and shared purpose, smoothing the path for joint ventures. Bangladesh's investment-friendly policies and competitive labor costs further sweeten the deal for Turkish defense firms, making it an attractive destination for manufacturing and technology transfer. For Turkey, this is about more than business. It's about building alliances, expanding its influence as a global defense player, and securing a foothold in a strategically vital region. By helping Bangladesh develop its own industry and technological capabilities, Turkey not only strengthens its network of reliable partners, but also enhances its own position and reputation on the world stage, paving the way for long-term cooperation and shared growth. The joint production will focus on advanced military equipment, starting with Turkish drones like the Bayraktar TV-2, built locally for Bangladesh's needs. Armored vehicles tailored for Bangladesh's terrain and modern naval vessels for coastal defense are also on the agenda. The partnership may extend to communication systems, electronic warfare gear, and ammunition, modernizing Bangladesh's entire military. Turkish expertise will help Bangladesh create a comprehensive defense industrial base, boosting both security and self-reliance. This is about empowering Bangladesh to produce the full spectrum of weapons and systems it needs for the future. Producing weapons at home will make Bangladesh less dependent on foreign suppliers and more responsive to its own security needs. Turkish technology, drones, armored vehicles, and naval ships will give Bangladesh's military a modern edge in surveillance, protection, and maritime security. The deal will also create a skilled local workforce, as Turkish experts train Bangladeshi engineers and technicians. This transfer of knowledge will benefit not just the military, but the broader economy as well. A stronger, more self-reliant military will enhance Bangladesh's national security and international standing. Ultimately, this partnership is about building a secure, stable future for Bangladesh. The Turkey-Bangladesh defense deal is set to shake up South Asia's power dynamics, especially for India, the region's traditional military heavyweight. For decades, India has maintained a dominant position, but this new partnership signals a significant change in the status quo, introducing fresh uncertainty and competition into the region. Turkey's entry introduces new competition and could prompt India and others to rethink their strategies. Regional powers may now be forced to reassess their alliances, military investments, and diplomatic approaches in response to this evolving landscape. Bangladesh's enhanced capabilities will make it a more formidable force, potentially shifting alliances and regional security calculations. Bangladesh modernizes its military, neighboring countries may feel compelled to upgrade their own defenses, leading to a possible arms race in the region. The deal brings economic benefits, jobs, technology, and a new high-tech industry, but also risks, like over-reliance on Turkish support. While the influx of advanced technology and investment can boost Bangladesh's economy, it also raises concerns about long-term dependency and the sustainability of these gains. Bangladesh must balance partnership with self-sufficiency to avoid new dependencies. Developing local expertise and diversifying partnerships will be crucial for maintaining independence and stability. For Turkey, it's a step toward global defense influence. For Bangladesh, a move toward greater autonomy. Both nations stand to gain, but must navigate the complexities of international defense politics. The region's future will depend on how these new relationships and rivalries evolve, shaping not just military power, but also economic and diplomatic ties across South Asia.